Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on POCO F4. So first of all, let's open a Google Play Store. From here we'll need to search for an app and here enter NotifyBuddy. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete and the scanning will also commence, we can open our app. From here move to the next step and we'll need to grant 3 permissions to this app. First one is phone permission. Simply click on grant. Here you will see to allow NotifyBuddy to make and manage phone calls. Click allow. Overlay permission, click on grant. Here you'll need to find NotifyBuddy. Click on it and allow display over the other apps. Move back. And the last is notification permission. Find NotifyBuddy and here allow notification access. We'll need to wait for 10 seconds. Click OK. Go back. And here we just granted 3 permissions to this app. Now the last thing right here is battery optimization, and it's optional, you don't need to disable it, but if the app doesn't work properly, you can go back and disable it right here. Now let's move to the next step, click on OK, and from here we can start using this app normally. In the user tab, you'll be able to pick any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. So for example, let's choose home like this. In the system, you can find all system-related apps. So let's, for example, get this POCO or whatever it is. In active, you can find all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings, you can change anything about the LED lamp, like its size, shape, color, place on the screen, whatever you want. But some of the options are locked behind the premium version. Now let's press on this test button, and right here we'll be able to see this LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.